In the name of Allah. Hi everyone. Today I want to show you in this video how to password protect a Word document. Step by step learning. Alright, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education Center. Start a video.
You don't have to download any software. It's totally free. Now this is our Microsoft document. Open the Microsoft document. Go to File menu. Here Open menu. And here click on the Info command. Then going to Protect document, right click here. Then click on Encrypt with password. Now here you have to enter your password. Which you want to. I want to enter a password 1000, to click on OK. For my password 1000. You have to repeat your password. Here I repeat password again, to click on OK. Set a password to protect your Microsoft file. Then save your document. I want to close a document. I want to open new document. You see this document is password protected. Please enter a password. Now if you enter some wrong password, it will say incorrect password. But if I enter 1000, the same password that we have entered there, you have to click on OK. Now as you can see, that document is now open. So in this way you can how to password protect a Word document. By setting your password. It's a very easy way. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching guys.